Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret and welcome to our new series CheapBuds, where I check out some cheap earbuds and let you know if they're really worth it. So these are the Brainwavz Delta Clear Instrument and Vocals Balanced Bass and All Metal Housing earbuds. And these retail for around $20, so that's actually pretty neat. They support Apple iOS and Android products, phone call controls, audio player control, volume control, and supports TRRS connector. So these have 8mm drivers and have a lot of things in the package. We have the well-known Brainwavz case, which always looks very neat, and for this price, that's actually a pretty cool accessory. So what do we have in here? Well, we have some very cool things actually. So we have a manual, and then we have some different ear tips, as you can see, bigger ones and smaller ones, and these are regular ones. And this is a clip-on for your yeah. And these are the headphones themselves, and cool thing is, these things are also included, and these are the Comply Premium Earphone Tips, Isolation, Superior Audio, blah blah blah, Super Soft Memory Foam. So these are ear tips with memory foam, as you can see. Very nice, and they will come back to their normal shape in a couple of seconds. So that's very cool actually. So these just look very nice. They have that beautiful finish, that beautiful red finish on the back, and those black colors look very cool. And you have the remote over here, plus and minus for volume, and this is for playing and pausing and other stuff control. So there's also a mic built in over here, and you have some kind of slider to change the width of these two things, so that's very neat, and that's all to it. So let's hear how they really sound. Alright, the fit with the memory foam is pretty good. That's very much okay, so I really like that. So they fit very well, as you can see, once the memory foam is in there, and the isolation is very good with those memory foam ear tips. Alright, these are not the loudest sounding earbuds, but they have a very good noise cancellation with these other ear tips. Wow, ooh, that's a very big difference. The noise cancellation is amazing on these ear tips. That's not because of these earbuds, but that's because of the ear tips. And the sound, I have to say, it's pretty clear. The vocals are very clear, and the instruments are very detailed as well, but the bass is pretty flat. But yeah, these are $20, so I really wouldn't expect very big, amazing bass, but they're even better than Beats by Dre, so don't tell anyone. Yeah, overall, these things are amazing. These are from Brainwavz, and they always make good products, in my opinion, of course. But the bass, don't buy these for the bass. These are perfect for sports, I think, and for some casual listening, for some podcasts maybe, if you listen to podcasts, because vocals are very good. And the instruments are also very nice as well, but these are not for the bigger, amazing beat songs, dubstep songs you want to listen to, yeah, swag. But these are for some regular listeners, and for $20 you really can't go wrong with these things, because you have a lot of things in the package. They are very well built, metal housing, as you can see, so I would definitely recommend these things. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to check out some other earbuds, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very glad to do that. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve, and I hope I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.